This is a NPET wired keyboard. They say it's for gaming. I am using it even though it's not for gaming. Look at how pretty it is. This I'm showing it on top of a mouse pad, how it looks like. It comes with this colors that you can change. Also, it has one of the keys is for the LED, so you can change the colors, and if you want, you might not even use the colors. I love the colors because they look cute, and also it's good for you to be able to see the keys, you know, in the dark. Very comfortable. It also comes with these small pieces, like there are little stands in the back, so you can make it be a little bit in a diagonal, which makes it more comfortable as well. This is a NPET K10 gaming keyboard.